Just got my hands on the Jabra Elite 4, so let's open this. It says designed in Copenhagen and comes with 2 years local warranty. Very nice. So I got the blue one and I'm filming this on my Google Pixel 8 Pro. Just got it. Hopefully the video quality is good. I don't have a stand, so... Ooh, this is quite a nice box. Yeah, so I don't have a stand, so this won't shake a bit. But Google has quite a good camera system, so hopefully not that bad. Ooh, very nice box. The sound, 2 years. And there we go, the main event. Nice material. Quite solid hinges. Quite nice. This looks slightly discolored. Not sure what that is. This is about the same. Maybe a bit of dust. Yeah, it looks a bit dusty, but that's fine. Here we have. Does it come with a cable? Oh yeah, it does come with a cable. And it's other USB. No, not. Another USB-C cable. Very nice. Oh, insides are colored a bit as well. Is it? Oh no, they're just straight white. It's navy blue, so look close enough. And these are the two other padding. Looks quite nice. Shall test them out and we shall see how good they are. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Oh, there's a menu, but that's it. Alright, thanks. See you guys.